Welcome back, ladies and gents. My name's Tom Dyer, and this is a follow-up video from a previous video that I've done, which was awesome pours with 2 bottles, which you can check out up there, where I take you through a bunch of awesome pours. And there was one pour on it, which I'm showing you now, which I said that there's an upgrade to, and today I'm going to show you what that upgrade is. It's a very difficult move to get, plus on top of that, I'm going to show you a secondary upgrade, which I've been working on, which I want to share with you today as well. So, let's get straight to it. Now, the upgraded version looks like this. It is a very awkward move to perform, and it's more of a novelty pour. If you do start using it behind your bar, make sure you practice it a lot. So to show you how to do this, I'm going to use my Tom's Fly bottles. These are rubber plastic bottles, half rubber, half plastic. So they're nice and soft, and they don't hurt so much when they hit you, and they're available from my website, tomdyerbartender.com. Now with that plug over, let's talk you through how to perform this move. So it's 2 tennis grabs, and how we do this is 2 palms facing away from us, thumbs down, elbows up towards you, and grab the bottles. Now what you want to do is bring those elbows down. So you twist your wrists and bring your elbows down. You're going to put your thumbs on the backs of the bottle like this, because you want to have support of the bottle when it's upside down and pouring. I'm going to come up, start the pour. Now the swipe through is basically the same on both sides. You're going to bounce, swipe through. Now you've got to remember to move this arm, because before you was on a regular beer grip, so you had a lot of space. But now your arm is in the way, so you need to lift that elbow up and swipe through, and then the same again. Otherwise you're going to go like this and hit yourself in the elbow, and that's going to hurt, trust me. And then to cut, you're going to come back to where you started from. Now I highly recommend that you get yourself a couple of empty bottles and practice that whole motion before you start doing it with liquid. Give it a try, let me know how you get on, because it is a tough one to perfect. Now I do have another pour for you, another upgrade pour, very similar to that, and this is how it looks. Right, so this pour is a lot easier to perfect and a lot easier to get clean than the other one. Now I'm coming to my left side again, and I'm coming up to pour. Now from this point, you're going to do the first move once again, okay? And then the second part of the move is this hand is just going to bounce, so you're going to pull, boom, and jump over to this side. Meanwhile, this one is coming under and then coming to pour right here. Now the cut in this pour is probably the hardest part actually, because you're in a crossover weird position. So once you've done this pour, I recommend that you go towards you. Practice that whole motion and try and get it nice and clean. But I'm sure you're gonna be able to get this one better than the last one, if I'm honest. But do try it out, let me know how you get on, and I hope you nail both of these pours. Thank you so much for watching. I really do hope you like this video and you do try out these pours for yourself. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you're new around here, and thank you for making it all the way until the end of the video. I'm also on Patreon, where I share more tips and tricks on Flair bartending. There's some blooper videos over there and some other content which you can check out. I also post my 3-minute Thursday videos on Patreon, where you get 4 videos per month for only €5.50. I'm currently going through the WFA grading yellow level, which is going to take you through every move step by step. So at the end of that, you'll have the whole routine of the WFA gradings level. Anyway, thank you so much again for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button. Until next time, I'll see you then.